is Erin Osborne. Erin has been teaching for 10 years. She teaches first grade at Golden Terrace Elementary. Erin's high-impact practice, cultivating community while enhancing engagement, exemplifies her dedication to fostering an inclusive and dynamic learning environment in her classroom. By utilizing an array of engagement strategies, including interactive whiteboard activities and collaborative Kagan structures, which are designed to promote cooperation and communication, she ensures that every student is actively and enthusiastically participating in the learning experience. Her students share strategies and celebrate together, further fostering a classroom culture of collective support. Erin traces the inspiration to become a teacher back to her experience as an after-school counselor at the age of 16, where she realized the profound impact she could have on children's lives. Despite the challenges she cherishes, watching her students' eyes light up, once they've made a new discovery and remains committed to making a positive difference. I'm going to re-say that because I left out the comma, and it was an important one. Despite the challenges, comma, she cherishes watching her students' eyes light up once they've made a new discovery and remains committed to making a positive difference at Golden Terrace Elementary School. And here to introduce Erin is Emma Diaz.
Hello everyone, my name is Emma Diaz and I'm a third grade student at Golden Terrace Elementary. 2 years ago I had the most amazing first grade teacher, Miss Osborne. She believes in me and all her students, helping us chase our dreams. Miss Osborne made learning fun and easy even when things got tough. Thank you, Miss Osborne, for all the wonderful activities and for being so kind, caring, and positive. I'm proud to present to you Miss Osborne.
Good afternoon. I would first like to say congratulations to all of the teachers who sit in this room as Teachers of Distinction and Golden Apple Recipients. I am truly honored to be sitting alongside you. I would also like to thank the sponsors and the committee, volunteers, and employees at Champions for Learning for organizing and supporting the Golden Apple program each year. You know, it wasn't that long ago when I once walked the halls of a CCPS school as a student. I started as a cougar cub in preschool at Baird Collier, and then became a Poinciana Pelican where I spent all of my elementary school days. Next, I headed over to Plain Ridge for middle school, and finally I came back to my old preschool stomping grounds and graduated from Baird. It was in high school that I started my first big girl job, where I worked with elementary age students at an after-school program. During the school day, I also had the amazing opportunity to teach in the preschool I once sat in as a student. I thought I had a knack for working with children. I truly loved it, so I decided to live out my childhood dream to become a teacher. Just 4 short years after graduating from high school, I found myself back at CCPS, except this time I'd no longer be walking the halls as a student. Now, no amount of schooling can truly prepare you for what to expect when you're finally on your own in your classroom. Each day brings new challenges and opportunities to learn and grow. Here are a few things that I've learned over the years. Multitasking and listening to multiple conversations at once is a necessary skill. Every kindergarten and first grade teacher knows this, but a wet paper towel can work miracles for boo-boos. Y'all, first grade is wild. You're learning how to be a human, how to read, how to manage friendships and follow the rules, and all the while, everybody's teeth are falling out all over the place. Teaching is 100% a team effort. It is impossible to do alone. And I would not be where I am today without the guidance and support of my administration and colleagues along the way. And most importantly, I have learned that a little patience encouragement, and grace can go a long way. As teachers, we have been given an opportunity, one that we can either embrace or ignore. We have the opportunity to impact the lives of countless children, not just their education, but their character. We have the opportunity to demonstrate kindness, love, grace, patience, encouragement, and redirection when needed. That was and is what I strive to show my students each day. One of my main goals is to have the majority, if not all of my students, engaged in their learning. This can be pretty difficult to do. It has been imperative that I build a culture of trust and respect in my classroom in order to accomplish this. A place where my students feel safe to take risks, to come up to teach the class a strategy, or to share their thinking while their classmates are signaling whether they agree or disagree with them. It's going to be intimidating, but they know that their classmates and I will be there to lead them in the right direction if or when they feel unsure, and to cheer them on along the way. We've built that together, and I am so proud of these students and every other student whom I've had the pleasure of teaching over the last 17 years at Golden Terrace. Please know that you have made a lasting impact on my heart, and I hope that I have done the same for you. Mark Twain once said, "Find your passion, and you'll never work a day in your life." And I know without a doubt, I have found mine. Thank you.